Good morning, student. Myself, Sujita Mahesh. Today I am representing you a chapter known as a Golden India Beginning to 1206 AD. This is a part 2. In previous class, we have talked about the Janpatas and Mahajanpatas. In the chain of the development of Vedic civilization, origin of Janapatas is seen in the Rajasthan, also due to invention of Greeks, tribals like Malav, Shivi, Arjunayan, etc. Punjab bravery and courageous migrated by the Rajasthan to settled here. Now हम राजस्थान के कुछ पार्ट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. इन दैट फर्स्ट इज अ जांगल. प्रेजेंटली जांगल आपको देखा जाएगा या फिर सुना जाएगा बीकानेर और जोधपुर के नाम से. प्रेजेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ बीकानेर एंड जोधपुर वेर कॉल्ड जांगलादेश. इन महाभारत पीरियड सम नेम इन is found as a Kuru Jangla and Madev. The capital of this Jangaldas was Achitrapur, which is present known as Nagpur. The king Bikaner called himself a Bacha of Bangladesh. Now this destiny was ruled by a Rathod families. Now let me talk about the Matsya. Matsya, the region near around present Jaipur was known as the Matsya Mahajanpatas. In present आज के ज़माने में वो अलवर और भरतपुर के नाम से जाना जाता है. Its the capital is the Viratpur. King Bindusara ruler Matsya Janpatas, that means a Maurya ruler. It is mentioned in the Mahabharata that a king named Shahnaz ruled over both Chedi and the Matsya state. Laterly it was a part of the Magadha. Magadha के पार्ट में वो laterly आ गया था. सुरसेना. अब हम सुरसेना के बारे में बात करेंगे तो it is related to the Lord Sri Krishna. Mahajanpatas were located in the modern Bridge regions. Its capital was Mathura. According to Mahabharata, Yadu destiny had ruled here. Lord Krishna, son of Vasudeva, had relation with this Janapatas. Now Shivi, अगर हम शिवी के बारे में बात करेंगे तो it is a part, at present it is a part of the Pakistan, but it was related in India only. Shivipur was the capital of a Shivi Mahajanapatas and the king Susan defended it with some caste in the battle of the 10 kings. Shivipur present situated in the Pakistan. Though republican administration system prevailed, but state power was in the hand of the monarchy capital families. Now Maurya, Sunga, Satyavahan, Gupta, Vardhana, Pala, Rakshakruta, Pratihara, Chola, Malava and Chalukya empire. Now this is some empire I have just go through it. Now the first we to have talk about the Maurya empire. It is a golden bird in short word I would say, because it is the destination where we have achieved many things in our life. Magadha, one of the among the 16 Janapatas, originated in the form of empire in the period of Haryak का destiny. Haryak destiny को defend करने के बाद ही मगधा इसको ये particular Maurya destiny में आया था. In the later period, Magadha established in the control almost over the whole North India. मगधा के हाथ में ये over North India पूरा मगधा के हाथ में आया था. Established of Maurya destiny approx 326 AD. On the throne of Magadha, one famous of Nanda destiny was accepted. At this time, Western India was assaulted by the Alexander. Now it says that Magadha Nanda destiny को defend करने के बाद उनके पास जब ये आया, then it says that कि नंदा से नंदा ने मगधा के साथ डिफेंड करने के बाद नंदा के पास ये आया, but नंदा was not very satisfied person, I would say, because they take many taxes from the people. State people were unsatisfied with him due to the cause of the unbearable burden of the tax. In such condition, people of the Magadha had seen of such a period who could eliminated the cries originated due to foreign attack and should present an idol of Chakravarti Samrat by blending it one thread. They was thinking what they need a one Chakravarti Samrat जो उनको एक ही स्त्रोत्र में बांध के रखे और उनको कोई दिक्कत नहीं आए in future also. That time the sky of Indian politician Chandragupta was developed and it was led by the Chanakya. And they both established a new empire there known as the Maurya dynasty. Now let me talk about the Chandragupta Maurya. Everyone know that who is the Chandragupta Maurya. He was around 322 to 298 BCE. Chandragupta accepts the throne in the age of 25 years after defending Dhanananda, the last ruler of the Nanda dynasty. With the help of his Guru Chanakya, Chandragupta founded the first great Indian empire by campaigning the wide victory mission. In 3005 BCE, he defeated them Greek ruler Seleucus Nicator. After making a treaty, Seleucus gave Chandragupta East. Seleucus ने अपना शासन चंद्रगुप्ता को दिया था, वो था अफगानिस्तान, बलूचिस्तान, वेस्टर्न रीजन और विथ द इंडस रिवर एरिया वेयर द 500 एलिफेंट फ्रॉम हिम टेकिंग फ्रॉम हिम. ही ऑल्सो मैरिड. उन्होंने चंद्रगुप्ता ने फर्स्ट मैरिज जिससे किया था वो थी मेगस्थन. शी वॉज द एम्बेसडर ऑफ दिस हिज कोर्ट. काबुल, हट, कंधार, बलूचिस्तान, पंजाब, प्लेन ऑफ Ganga, Yamuna, Bihar, Bengal, Gujarat, part of the Vidya and the Kashmir were included in the vast empire of the Chandragupta. Chandragupta also attacked South India in old stage if he took scared their Jain Dharma from Bhadra Bahu. He died in 298 BC in Shravan Belgola, that means in the Mysore. Now student, I have just completed the chapter. Later we will see very soon with the part 3. Thank you. Have a nice day.